Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to set date and time on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Here let's find additional settings and choose obviously date and time. Now we have some date and time options which we can customize. For example, we can change the clock format. Now we've got 24-hour format applied, but if you want to switch to a 12-hour format, simply click on the switcher and that's it. Now we are using network provided time, but if you want to set it manually, simply turn it off, and here we can set time. So let's click on this and pick something randomly. Okay, so that's all. As you can see, we've just changed the date and the time in our OPPO A52, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.